How to find trending products to sell on Shopify. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how you can find top trending products to sell on Shopify. If you have a store and you struggle with the right products, if you feel you need to upgrade your products, then this video is going to be for you. I'll show you the latest trends and the different products that are trending nowadays globally so that you can find the best product for your store and sell them online. So let's get into it. First of all, we have different ways to search the trending products for Shopify. Now, what is the best way to search? We can actually go to Google Trends, and Google Trends actually shows us the different trends around the world, what people are searching for, and we can actually get the best results from Google. It gives us organic results, and we will be able to find out the best products out there for different niches, for different categories in different events, if there is any season coming up. So you will get a better idea what product to go for. So you just have to go to trends.google.com and you will land right here. Now, what you can do is you can go to the explore option and it will allow you to explore different trends that are going on. So you can see in explore, we can actually search for different terms. Now it depends on what kind of store you run on Shopify. Let's say we have a season coming up, which is back to school, right? So I want to search what are the back to school products or different terms that are trending on Google so that I can get an idea what are going to be the best products or the phrases or the keywords to go for. So we're going to search for the term back to school. It's pretty simple, like this. So once you search for it, it will show you the results. Now we can select the time and we can select what geographical area we want to go for. So I'm going to go for worldwide here, and then we have past 12 months. When it comes to trending products, we can go for past 12 months or make sure to go for maybe like past 90 days. That's actually pretty good. So let's go with past 90 days so that we know the trending products. Then we have all categories. You can change your category from here. Let's say I actually deal in accessories. So what I'll do is I'll actually customize my search a little bit to right here. Okay, let's go with all now. And then we have web search. Now, this is important. If you want to go for image search, news search, Google shopping, or more. So I'm going to go with the Google shopping because this is under the shopping. I run a store on Shopify. I need to see what people are buying. We'll scroll down and we'll get our results. So first of all, we're getting this graph which shows me the different trends and when it's trending, when it's not. So it was trending in kind of like back to school in January, but now it's pretty low and it's trending now. It's going up a little bit. Now I can scroll down, and in geographical area, we get these countries where it's trending nowadays. If you want to, and then we have related topics. Now this is also important. If you don't feel like the keyword you entered is not working, then you can go for other keywords that are related and you will be able to get an idea. So this is like a basic thing. Now I can go back to maybe more, such as clothes. If you sell clothes, you can search for the summer dress. So the summer is coming. So let's go with summer dress and search for it. We're going for worldwide. This time, I'm just going to search for USA. Let's go with US Virgin Islands, and then we're going to search for it. Okay, let's go with United States here and search. And we'll get our results. You can see this is our trending product. You can see this is a summer dress. I searched for it and now I can get the best results. You can see it was not trending before, but now you can see the graph is going up, and we even have a prediction that it will go up in the next month or 20 to 30 days. So this is actually perfect. This is a trending product that we just found, and I can scroll down to check out more topics. So now I can know that the summer dresses are trending and I'll be able to create such product. I need to create products related to summer so that my shop has the best products and the trending products available. Another way you can search for the trending products for your Shopify store is through Amazon. So what we can do is Amazon is actually a pretty good platform to go for because it has the most trending products and all of the trends nowadays. Even the products are trending on TikTok, YouTube. So this is actually a pretty good way to see what people are searching for. What you can do is once you get to Amazon, you can search right here, or you can go to the all and you can select your category from here, the category you deal in on your Shopify store. So in my case, I actually deal in clothes. And so what I do is I'm going to quickly go to the search bar here and we can search for let's say summer dresses for women. So you can see there is this term summer dresses for women 2023. This will show me the latest trends that are going on for summer 2023. Here we have the dresses, and the kind of dresses that are trending now are this kind. Okay, perfect. And the products look pretty good. Now I have an idea that what kind of product I need to get to my store. And what we can do is when you're searching here, you can sort by, we have featured, and then we have newest arrival, or we have the customer review and more. So we also have prices. So what I do is I actually go with the newest arrival to kind of like see what are the newest trends or newest product in the market. What are the latest products that we are getting? So you can see we have these kind of products available that I can go for. Again, I'm actually searching for what I deal in on my Shopify store. If you deal in accessories, then you will search for accessories and you'll do the same thing. Check the latest products, check the different customer reviews, everything. So what I'll do is I'll also go with the customer reviews here and get the top reviewed products so that I can get an idea what are the products that people are actually liking. So we have these kind of dresses. For instance, this one right here, I know this dress is actually pretty good. I can go with this dress. This dress has a lot of different reviews. It is trending. It is the latest design. So I can go for this kind of dress or this dress from Amazon. Similarly, we can do a product research on AliExpress. So this is actually completely free. We do this on our own. There is no such thing on Shopify that you have to search products from here. And this is not complicated. This is like a simple search thing that I do as well. And a lot of people who sell on Shopify do this to find the right products, and they're selling like crazy. So this is the first way you can do it if you struggle with finding the product. So on aliexpress.com, again, what I do is I'll just go to the women's fashion here and I'll go to the dresses section straight away. I don't need to go here and there. I'll just simply go to the dresses because that's what I am looking for, and I need to find the right dresses because I know that summer dresses are going to be trending now. So here we have our dresses available. Now, again, we need to actually sort by. So in sort by, we have the best match, but I'm going to actually sort by. So here again, I can search by, the latest and the popularity. Then we can go for the dresses length as well, the sleeves. We can do a lot of things here on AliExpress. So I can scroll down now and check out the different products that are trending on AliExpress. You will also get this thing, which is the, popular product, and that is the product that you should go for. You can see here we're getting some of the dresses, and I can get an idea that what kind of dresses I should go for and what kind of dresses I should not go for. So for a summer dress, I am going to go for a little floral dress instead of this one right here. This one is also a summer dress, but I need to see what kind of product I sell on my shop. So it depends on your shop too. This is I'm saying it again and again. For instance, this product right here. Now I know these products. I saw this product on TikTok and a lot of people were trying it out, and I know this dress is going to be trending in few days. And this is the product right here. This dress is amazing, and this one is trending even nowadays, and even in few days this dress is a lot of people were trying it out. I saw some TikToks and stuff, and I know if I get this product on my Shopify store, I will be able to make a lot of sales. So this is the product right here, and it's very cheap here on AliExpress. So what we do is we even can add our AliExpress, or we can add our Amazon to our Shopify. There are already videos on the channel that will show you how to do so, and that way you can also import these kind of products to your Shopify directly, the trending products that you feel like are going to make you a lot of money. You will be able to sell the product, and you will eventually be creating trending products on your Shopify store. So this is how we can do the product research really easily for free. You can use simple tools such as Google Trends, AliExpress, or Amazon search bar to search the right products for your Shopify store. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, or leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.